Most people fail this spelling quiz. It's not basic, it's not forgiving. If you get 20 or more right, you're a rare breed. Let's begin. Question 1. Which spelling is correct? A. Abhorrent, B. Abhorrent, C. Abhorrent, D. Abhorrent. The right answer is B. Abhorrent. Double R. Easy to mess up. Question 2. Pick the correct spelling. A. Irresistible, B. Irresistible, C. Irresistible, D. Irresistibly. Answer is B. Irresistible. You either knew it or guessed it. Question 3. This one's brutal. A. Reconnaissance, B. Reconnaissance, C. Reconnaissance, D. Reconnaissance. Correct. C. Reconnaissance. If you nailed that, respect. Question 4. A. Conscientious, B. Conscientious, C. Conscientious, D. Conscientious. It's B. Conscientious. Most people miss it. Question 5. A. Aesthetic, B. Aesthetic, C. Aesthetic, D. Aesthetic. Correct spelling. C. Aesthetic. Classy word. Precise spelling. Question 6. Which looks right? A. Indispensable, B. Indispensable, C. Indispensable, D. Indispensable. It's C. Indispensable. No. I. In the middle. Question 7. A. Millennium, B. Millennium, C. Millennium, D. Millennium. Correct. B. Millennium. Double L, double N. Question 8. A. Pharaoh, B. Pharaoh, C. Pharaoh, D. Pharaoh. Answer is B. Pharaoh. Looks weird, is weird, still right. Question 9. A. Entrepreneur, B. Entrepreneur, C. Entrepreneur, D. Entrepreneur. Correct spelling. A. Entrepreneur. No shortcuts here. Question 10. A. Harassment, B. Harassment, C. Harassment, D. Harassment. Answer. A. Harassment. Just one R. Question 11. A. Embellish, B. Embellish, C. Embellish, D. Embellish. It's B. Embellish. Simple, elegant. Question 12. A. Liaison, B. Liaison, C. Liaison, D. Liaison. Correct. A. Liaison. The IA combo tricks many. Question 13. A. Surveillance, B. Surveillance, C. Surveillance, D. Surveillance. Answer is B. Surveillance. 2 L's. Question 14. A. Anomaly, B. Anomaly, C. Anomaly, D. Anomaly. It's B. Anomaly. 1 N, 1 L. Question 15. A. Repertoire, B. Repertoire, C. Repertoire, D. Repertoire. Correct spelling. B. Repertoire. Fancy word. French roots. Question 16. A. Transcendent. B. Transcendent. C. Transcendent. D. Transcendent. It's C. Transcendent. Smooth and clean. Question 17. A. Camouflage. B. Camouflage. C. Camouflage. D. Camouflage. Correct. A. Camouflage. Sneaky word, literally. Question 18. A. Bureaucracy. B. Bureaucracy. C. Bureaucracy. D. Bureaucracy. Answer is a bureaucracy. Pain to spell, bigger pain to deal with. Question 19. A. Catastrophe. B. Catastrophe. C. Catastrophe. D. Catastrophe. Correct. C. Catastrophe. Classic spelling trap. Question 20. A. Argument. B. Argument. C. Argument. D. Argument. It's B. Argument. No. E. After that. U. Question 21. A. Vicious. B. Vicious. C. Vicious. D. Vicious. Answer. B. Vicious. Sounds soft, spells sharp. Question 22. A. Handkerchief. B. Handkerchief. C. Handkerchief. D. Handkerchief. It's C. Handkerchief. Yes, there's A, D, in there. Question 23. A. Connoisseur. B. Connoisseur. C. Connoisseur. D. Connoisseur. Correct. A. Connoisseur. French again. Tough again. Question 24. A. Inevitable. B. Inevitable. C. Inevitable. D. Inevitable.